welcome back to this fourth party of this tutorial about using ChatGPT. Basically, in the article, that was natural to think about how can I detect the plagiarism, meaning that how can I detect that people who has written the text or the code are human and not IA, intelligence artificial device, which can be ChatGPT or whatever. And by the way, I guess there's many already algorithms that are used to detect. It's what I say from what I know, and I believe that in summarizing legal document profiling, individual in marketing, tracking, reading and checking course material and student material in training, reading and automating. There's a huge future for this kind of tools. So basically, I wanted to see if I can make a POC, proof of concept, about that. So let's do it. So I've already made some tests. So first of all, everything is here. I'm gonna delete that. So first of all, you could find this checker is inspired by another checker, which is this one, Kalibu. I've taken the first one that I was given on GitHub and changed it to extend it to Streamlight. Also, I mean, to use Streamlight to show the stuff. So basically, what it's gonna do, say. So I'm going to say, okay, I take this plugin that I have generated with ChatGPT, and I say, okay, Guido, another guy, has make a copy. Of it. Okay. Sorry, I didn't put it at the correct place. I want it here. Source code, Guido. So Guido is a plagiarist. He has made a plagiat. And Carlo, sorry with the Italian word, Carlo, he has changed a few things from, he has taken the work of Bruno and has just changed the name of the stuff and is replacing. Okay, so basically we have Bruno has made with the ChatGPT the plugin. Carlo is a copy. Carlo has made a copy complete and with the plagiat, and Carlo has just few elements. It's just a basic example to show that we can have more sophisticated stuff. So I have already some environment. I'm using Conda, so you have base, but I have created a specific one, which is plagiarism checker Python, and you have the requirement that are here. They're also available on my GitHub account. So I'm gonna activate this plagiarism environment, and so just watch the stuff. He's gonna go. So this time also you can also make papers. If, for instance, if you receive elements from students, this time this will be code. So he's gonna go parse the code right here. So I'm sure, and then he's using sklearn to make some. That was the one. That's the reason why I've taken the checker, and then he's making a conclusion, which is 20% that have been copied is acceptable. If it's 70% that have been copied, cautioned. I mean, you have to make some remark to the guy, and plagiarist is over 70. That's just for the purpose of the exercise, okay? And let's do it. So he's gonna create this CSV file and inject it into a Panda stuff and show the results. Okay, so let's see, enough explanation. So I'm going to my file. I'm already here, and I will send this command. So if I open, you see, I open, so I see the CSV has been generated. yes, Bruno is a plagiarist. Enfin, Guido is a plagiarist of Bruno, and this guy has dissimulate a little bit, but they have the same range of stuff. So if I show result, okay, plagiarist, caution, caution. Okay, so that's very basic, and also I've made some tests with. So let's delete this file, and let's stop stuff. And let's say we're gonna do it for the text. So I've left some text right here. I think is a plagiarist. Well, anyway, that's exactly the same situation. So what is interesting is that you have few elements that will help you also to maybe hide your own copy, or even so to control even if people send you some copy. But I guess this is a quite nice business that many people will get into, because as far as the AI is becoming pregnant, pregnant. What is that? No, sorry. In French, we say pregnant. Is becoming more and more important in the usage. Um, you will have mechanism of defense in a way. So if you like my work, you can check my website. You can check also all the videos that I've made. You have also some publication if needed, and you have this article, and for sure you have all the GitHub account where you have all this experiment. That's very basic. I'm not supposed. I don't think I'm a developer. I'm more a PO that is interested and users using these tools, these new tools, to perform better some daily tasks that are tedious. Okay? See you then. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.